All right, welcome back everybody to Altcoin Daily, where you subscribe because you're interested in learning more about cryptocurrency. My name's Austin. Today we have big news involving Chainlink, involving Dogecoin, as well as smaller cap altcoins really making news. So like always, you must check the timestamps down below in the video description, and let's jump in. We'll start with our top story of the day. Due to public disclosures and leaked filings, we now know that institutions who were once buying Bitcoin are now buying Ethereum, and this started a few days ago. In the coming weeks, institutions will file 13Fs for Q1. This means we will soon see who bought exposure to Bitcoin via Grayscale from January through March. That was a period of big price moves, so these reports will be interesting. Lots of chatter. You'll read it here first, hopefully. Well, we have our first report made public today. In an SEC filing today, Rothschild Investment Corporation reported owning around 38,000 shares of GBTC. That's an improvement from January when they reported owning around 30,000 shares of Grayscale's Bitcoin. So they've always liked Bitcoin, and in Q1 of this year, they increased their position by almost 20%. The shocking news is that in today's filing, they also reported owning over 265,000 shares of Grayscale's Ethereum trust. This is a new position. So we're starting to see that it's been institutions scooping up Ethereum in Q1 of 2021. If you are an Ethereum hodler, give me your thoughts on this. Does this make you angry that they were scooping up cheap Ethereum on the sneak? We will go a little further into the story in a second. But next up, we gotta talk about Doge. Doge up almost 500% in the last few days. Now the 7th most valuable cryptocurrency in existence. More valuable than the Polkadot network, more valuable than Uniswap, more valuable than Chainlink. And if you're asking why, I think this proves no marketing team on earth can beat the power of a good meme coin. Elon's been tweeting about it, TikTok has been posting about it, and good or bad press just compounds more press. Watch this.
Dogecoin, it's up 9 gazillion percent. 9 gazillion percent. What's it at? Like 30 cents now? It's trending worldwide. Everyone this, that. They're making stacks on stacks and stacks. Robinhood crashed with it again, didn't let people buy it. You could only sell it, I think. You can buy Dogecoin, but you can't bet on a baseball game today in Massachusetts. But you can buy Dogecoin anywhere you want in the country. Like, I wish I had Dogecoin. I wish I had Bitcoin. I wish I had all these other coins. They're just magic pills. They're just magic. This is betting.
Okay. Crazy times to be involved in crypto. And it's interesting because it turns out the most downloaded apps today are Robinhood and Coinbase. And even though there is a fundamental difference between Doge and Bitcoin, there will be an infinite amount of Dogecoin in existence. It'll never stop being created. Bitcoin, there's a fixed supply. I'm sure Doge is a big reason for something like this now. If something changes in the Dogecoin story, I will keep you updated. But next piece of major news, if you hold Link. Chainlink 2.0 has arrived. This is a plan to turn DeFi into a $500 billion industry. So essentially, they just came out with an updated white paper / roadmap on what to expect from Chainlink next. And essentially, Chainlink 2.0 will create a second layer network that allows oracles to take the bulk of their work off-chain. So obviously Chainlink has always focused on decentralized oracles. In this updated roadmap, they're now focusing on decentralized oracle networks. Dubbed Chainlink 2.0, the network creates what its team calls decentralized oracle networks, or DONs. These second layer networks operate off-chain, meaning almost all of the data related to the smart contract is stored and computed off-chain before an oracle makes an input on the blockchain to trigger a smart contract's outcome. So this could offer a lot of assistance for Ethereum scalability if more things are taken off-chain, And just as an example, if you had a smart contract that managed trades between Ethereum and Uni, Chainlink's 2.0 oracles would aggregate all of the various exchange data for this pair and only feed the on-chain smart contract the exact price when needed. So expect progress like this from Chainlink going forward, and Chainlink's co-founder Sergey Nazarov likened these DONs to the application programming interfaces, APIs, that developers use for everyday computer functions. Interesting. So this is what you can expect from Chainlink in the future. Chainlink 2.0, a network of decentralized oracle solutions. Next up, speaking of decentralized oracles, major news from Chainlink competitor API 3, announcing our partnership with Injective Labs to bring Air node-enabled APIs and DAPIs to Injective protocol. So Chainlink has some competition, and Injective sees value in one of their competitors. Now, obviously, we know that Injective is providing layer 2 decentralized derivatives trading, and with this partnership, they're aiming to bring quantifiable, secure external data to Injective for use in decentralized trading applications. And to do this, they're using API 3's two different products, one of them being API 3's Air node, a serverless Oracle node designed to be operated by API providers, allowing different data providers to offer verifiable, high-quality data into a blockchain in a way that's quantifiably secure, decentralized, and trust minimized. In a direct quote from Injective, "We are thrilled to bring API 3 into our Oracle ecosystem. This will undoubtedly help unlock new frontiers within DeFi as users gain access to new price feeds for a diverse array of asset classes." So give me your thoughts down below. Are you more bullish on Chainlink or more bullish on newcomer API 3? Let me know. Next, quick update from NFT platform Ecomi with their altcoin Omi. We're seeing people use it. Some pictures from when I started to buy Ecomi and use the NFT app Vive Collectible 2 weeks ago. This is what I build, and this is my NFT collection. And we've been hearing so many people talk about buying NFTs. It's interesting to see people building NFTs of notable figures that we recognize. So good on Ecomi. Cool to see people using it. Love a good Powerpuff NFT. And I'm going to continue to be on the lookout for more NFT projects innovating. Every now and then, maybe once in a generation, a new advancement comes along that expands collecting into a new medium. And we're lucky enough to be here and now to witness the rise of digital collectibles. Very cool to be at the beginning, watching the growth of all this. Next piece of news, if you hold BNB, Binance token, Binance burns almost $600 million worth of BNB, their token. So they have completed their 15th quarterly BNB burn, and this is the most in cash value terms, most amount they've ever burned, ever. So if you're wondering why their coin continues to go up in value, first and foremost, the Binance ecosystem is only getting bigger, offering a cheaper yet more centralized version to Ethereum's ecosystem. But also, every quarter they burn a certain amount of tokens just to keep the value increasing. Next piece of interesting news for Cosmos. Cosmos is being considered as one of the most viable tech solutions for the introduction of the digital euro. Check this out. This is a document from Christine Lagarde and the European Central Bank for April 2021, talking about the use of distributed ledger technology in the post-trade process. One of their many considerations is solutions that would be interoperable with many cryptocurrencies, and Cosmos being shouted out as one consideration. A system for on-chain communication for different blockchains by Cosmos. They explain it. Pretty bullish. Cosmos is in the conversation for a digital euro. I'll keep you updated. That is the video. My name's Austin. Like always, see you tomorrow. Let me know what you're doing this weekend. I think I'll be hanging with a buddy tonight. But that's pretty much it. Let me know your weekend plans. See you tomorrow.